Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to quickly dive into these two AI CRM tools, which is Salesforce and Bitrix24. So let's quickly dive into it. So talking about Salesforce, Salesforce is a stronger choice if you want power, customization and advanced AI. It gives you deep analytics, automated workflow and endless integration, perfect for scaling teams that need precision and structure. The downside is the price and the complexity, which can feel heavy for smaller teams or anyone who wants or who doesn't want a steep learning curve. And talking about Bitrix24, on the other hand, is a better budget-friendly all-in-one option. You get CRM, team chat, task, and even a website builder all in one place, plus a generous free plan with unlimited users. It's great for smaller business, but the interface can be cluttered and the analytics aren't nearly as strong as Salesforce. So in my opinion, pick Salesforce if you want enterprise-grade tools and advanced automation, or go with Bitrix24 if you want an affordable, simple, all-in-one workspace that cover the basic. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.